Do you often find it challenging to understand complex concepts? Reading through lengthy articles or blogs can be time-consuming and sometimes confusing. But what if there was a simpler way to unravel complex ideas? That's where Chat GPT comes in. Chat GPT is a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence to help you understand complex concepts in a conversational way. You can ask questions and get instant answers, just like chatting with a friend. Let's say you're trying to understand a particular scientific theory, but the textbook language is too complicated. Chat GPT can break down the theory into smaller, easy-to-understand concepts. It can also provide real-life examples to help you visualize the concept better. You can even ask it to explain the concept in a different way if you're still having trouble understanding. But Chat GPT isn't limited to only scientific theories. It can help with complex ideas from various fields such as philosophy, economics, and politics. Thanks to Chat GPT, learning complex concepts has never been easier. All you have to do is type your questions, and it will do the rest. So, next time you come across a complex idea, don't hesitate to try Chat GPT. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.